Trains of the day. India versus Bangladesh. India versus Bangladesh second test, day 2 live updates. Virat Kohli, Cheteshwar Pujara, steady India after quick wickets. Woman fighter pilot. Shania Mirza, daughter of a TV mechanic from Mirzapur, has been selected to become a fighter pilot in the Indian Air Force and would be the country's first Muslim girl and the state's first IAF pilot. Kaikala Satyanarayana. Veteran Telugu actor Kaikala Satyanarayana died at the age of 87 early on Friday morning at his residence in Hyderabad. The veteran actor had been a part of over 750 films from the time of NTR. COVID. India has been reporting fewer than 200 cases a day for several days now. As for BF7, all 4 cases confirmed so far came up between July and October. 3 in Gujarat, 1 in Odisha, and the patients were isolated, treated, and have recovered. Twitter. Jimmy Mr. Beast. Donaldson, the most subscribed YouTuber in the world, today asked if he could be the CEO of Twitter.
For more updates, do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Rise Smart Bangla.